In this video, I will be teaching you how to make a snake and the apple game on Scratch. This video is mostly for beginners and is extremely easy to make, but don't take that for granted. Do not skip a single part of this video if you want your game to be correct. Now make sure to hit that subscribe button and like button, and comment down below what I should do next. Now, let's get on to the video. The snake and the apple, which I know I used from the Sprite Collection Scratch has, but that's just for the sake of time. So now we click on the first sprite in the costume. I made mine really basic with 2 eyes and just a green square. So this is what we're gonna be using for the sprite. First, the snake. And the next sprite is an apple. You can use whatever picture you want from the internet. You can make your own, but I just use the sprites that Scratch has in store for us. So make sure to pause the video and make those sprites before we move on. And then after that we have the backdrop, which I just made a giant green square with a green outline. You can make it anything you want. I'm just gonna delete this. Any type of background you want. I just made it this color because it represents the remnants of a snake. So yeah. Now we're gonna get to the coding. For sprite 1, you want to go to events and get a when green flag click. Then you're gonna have to make a variable. I already did this. Make a variable called length, score, and speed, and you're gonna want to show score. After that, you're gonna want to set length to 0.2. Then you want to set speed. Where is it? Change this to speed. You want to set speed to 4. This is what I think I like to do, but you can of course do it any way you want. Then after that, I'm just gonna move this up here. After you do that, you're gonna make it go to X, Y, 0, which is right here in the motion box. Go to X, Y, make this 0, make this 0, like that. Oh. So yeah, make it 0, make it 0. Go to speed, and then after that, we're gonna get control forever. So you're gonna do forever if key right arrow pressed. Then you're gonna want to put point in direction 90 right here. And for the sake of time, you're gonna make these codes for the left arrow, the up arrow, and the down arrow, so you can move your character up and down, because right now he can only move right. So yeah, do the left arrow press, point in direction -90, up arrow press, point in direction 0, and key down arrow press, point in direction 180. Then you're gonna put that under the if block, and it's gonna be move speed steps at the end. So you're gonna go here, move steps, and then get the speed variable. Okay. Then after that, you're gonna have to add these codes. When green flag click, forever create a clone of myself, which will make it look like a snake, like with that little bottom part. Then after that, you're gonna do when I start as a clone, switch costume to snake, wait length seconds, delete this clone, and then when green flag clicked, forever if touching edge, then stop off. So it's gonna make it stop when touching the edge, and it's going to make a clone that's going to make it look like a snake, like that. So now we're gonna code the apple. Okay, in the apple, you're gonna want to put when green flag click, set score to 0, so it sets the score to 0. Make sure to show that so then you can see the score. And then go to X, pick random with these numbers, pick random these numbers. You can of course pick whatever number you think works well for your game. Then forever if touching sprite 1, which would be the snake, then change the score by 1, and then change the length by 0.1. You could change it to whatever you want. Like right now, when he eats the thing, the apple, like this, he only gets a little bit longer, just like a bit longer. But like, let's say you did 1, you made it go up by 1. It would go up like this, that, which is kind of weird looking, and I don't think you want that. So yeah, I would put it at 0.1, but your preference. So yeah, this is basically all you need to code the game. Nothing here. You can add whatever you want. And I know in the real game, when the snake touches his own body, he dies. So you can add that code if you want, but this is of course for beginners. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope your game works. And if you have any problems, make sure to comment down below in the video, and I can help fix them. I hope you enjoyed watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what coding video I should do next. And that'll be all. Thank you. Bye.